Hi, I'm Tim Sheriff with Swanstrom Tools, and I want to introduce you to the new Swanstrom bench anvil. This anvil is unique. Most anvils are cast, and you can't get the surfaces that are being hammered on very hard. This anvil combines the advantages of cast ductile body and heat-treated, through-hardened horns and top plates that are made out of S7 alloy tool steel. The anvil comes as shown along with 3 other horns, tapered and 2 stepped horns for working on rings. To change the top plate and the horn out is simply on the back of the anvil. There's a screw here that you loosen up, and you can remove the horn and install the others and just tighten the screw up. And the top plate can be changed out the same way. There's just a small set screw there that you can loosen up. And pull the top plate off and change it out with the simple turning of a screw. The top plates and the ring mandrels and the horn are hardened to the high 50s Rockwell C. This is the most delightful bench anvil you'll find.